got these. Look at these, look at these, look at these. I got these. And I thought they looked wicked, so I was like, yeah, they're awesome. This wicked guy still loves it. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This came down right down a little bit. Okay, I got male underwear and I thought it would be cute of me. I thought it was kind of crazy to be like, yeah, I got male underwear. Oh my god, I love these! I wanted them to come sooner so I could wear them for Halloween, but no, they came later than that. Let's try these ears on. No, let's try the ears and she gave me a design for you. I bought him thinking about the ear cuffs, and I was like, you know what, ear cuffs are awesome. So I really wanted to, I saw something in the hospital that looks sweet as gosh. Okay. Oh my god. And I love this because I made it myself about 20 years ago. And it actually looks really cool. It came from Wish. It's a towel. It has a little milk thing on it. I made it for my first husband. Second husband. See, it's got a little cow thingy on it with milk on there. And it's so cute. So freaking cute. And it even has a cute cow thing on there. So yeah, I made a keychain. I bought this for Brandon. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. I made this for practice for Michael. And this one's for me. I love dragons, so I got it with the blue thing there. This doesn't look as pretty as I thought it was going to be, because like, I thought it'd be like more like I like the gloves. And a long time ago I had an idea for a bowl I wanted to make. And I'm trying to think what was in it, what I was going to put in there. Because I want to put like confetti in there. And be like, put on like a, what is it, a wristband? Oh, that's all I got. Hi guys, bye.